Season 21 of Apex Legends has turned crypto into an absolute sleeper monster. And honestly, it's about time. For years, crypto has been chilling in the background, his abilities feeling more like a burden than an advantage. Not anymore. The buffs this season make him way more approachable for regular players. His drone now automatically scans for you when you toss it, like having a little surveillance assistant that doesn't require an IT department degree. It's smoother, faster, less fiddly. One of crypto's biggest pain points used to be that he had to manage too many moving parts. His drone used to leave him completely exposed while piloting it. Now, you can deploy and dip without feeling like a sitting duck. Trust me, this is huge. Pro tip: with his new setup, you can throw the drone inside buildings or behind walls to quickly ping squads without stopping to manually pilot. Think of it as a UAV you don't have to babysit. It's a game changer for recon. Here's the juicy stat. Crypto's pick rate has been creeping up. He was always a low-tier pick, sitting around 1%, but now players are realizing he can dominate recon meta. By season's end, don't be surprised if he doubles or even triples that. His ultimate, the EMP, is even scarier now when paired with this buff. The trick is timing. Drop the drone, let it auto-scan, and EM fast before enemies figure out where you are. It's pure chaos for enemy squads. A common mistake people still make is playing too passively with crypto. You're not supposed to just sit back and use the drone all game. Use the auto-scan, stay with your squad, and leverage the EMPs in tight windows for the push. Another pro tip: use crypto to counter Catalyst's Dark Veil. Toss the drone in, and it'll keep tracking enemies with ease. It invalidates her ultimate in a way no other legend really does right now. It's the ultimate counterplay. And let's not forget, crypto's earned a reputation for being a team player. His assists from scan assists and EMP damage rack up like crazy. If you're in ranked, look to crypto to farm RP without outfragging everyone. Crypto mains, rejoice. You finally have a reason to gloat in lobbies. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. His skill ceiling is still high, which means new players need to put in the reps to unlock his full potential. If you're coming off legends like Bloodhound or Seer, crypto feels like their unforgiving cousin. But now, he's definitely less intimidating to use. Mastering him rewards you with massive recon advantages and some of the best counters in the game. Season 21 has been kind to crypto. If you've slept on him before, now's your chance to wake up and give him a serious try. And who knows, he might just become your new main.